Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Gmail contacts on Mac. So if your contacts are already saved in your Google account, you don't have to add them one by one on your Mac. You can simply add your Google account on your Mac and enable contact sync, and it will automatically import your Gmail contacts into Apple Contacts app where you can view and use them just like any other contact. So let's see how you can do it. First, click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Internet Accounts. Now if your Google account hasn't been added yet, click on Add Account button and then follow the on-screen instruction to add your Google account here. If you don't know how to do it, I'll attach a video in the description that will let you know how to add Google account on Mac. Once you add your Google account, make sure you have enabled the toggle right to contacts. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.